All right, let's take a look at your quiz prep document. So I know that that probably felt really fast, that 3.9 probably felt like it went by really quickly, but that's because it's all vocab and your quiz isn't too hard, so I'm not that worried about it. So, there are 6 listening questions. I may decide that you aren't doing those, but study your Quizlet. You'll be fine either way. But I don't know, we may skip on. Moving on, the important part of the quiz. This is the main section right here. So it's a shopping list. So I'm going to give you categories, and it's in exactly this order: 3 meats, 3 vegetables, 3 fruits, 2 dairy products, 2 drinks, 3 other ingredients. Okay? You're writing a shopping list. You just need to be able, for each category, to write however many of each of them I want you to write. So for instance, for meats, you will just choose, yourself, choose 3 meats that are going to be easy for you to spell. Make sure you know the definite article, so le or la, and you'll just write that in. You'll write 3 of them, separate them with commas, and you'll be fine. That's all that section is. It's can you write 2 or 3 things in whatever category. Spelling obviously counts. Those are worth 1.5 points each, half a point for the article, and then 1 point for the word itself. Like I said, you get to choose what words you want for each category, so pick ones that are easy to spell. Then, the other part of the quiz. This part is a little difficult just because it's asking you to remember a bunch of tenses. So you are writing a little paragraph about your eating habits and preferences. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's just 5 sentences. So let's look. I had breakfast at time. So this is supposed to be in the passé composé. So you know that you need a helping verb and a past participle. Think of the verb for to have breakfast. So, goodness. So our helping verb is avoir. So j'ai is how we'll start off. Then we need our past participle. The verb for to have breakfast is prendre le petit déjeuner, right? So prendre has an irregular past participle. It's pris. So j'ai pris le petit déjeuner, etc. Finish the sentence. Okay, so that's the passé composé. I eat lunch at place. Okay, this one's going to be in the present tense. You don't need my help with that. This is just conjugating the verb for to have lunch in the present tense. It's a regular ER verb, déjeuner, so that shouldn't be too hard. Then, this one you may have forgotten. This sentence needs to be in the near future. So I am going to eat dinner at time. I am going. Near future is 2 words, right? The conjugated form of aller. So je vais, I am going. And then the infinitive for to eat dinner, which is dîner, but it has a housetop accent, so make sure you leave that. And then, whatever time you're going to eat dinner at. Then, my favorite type of cooking is blank, nationality. Okay? You could also say, I prefer, like, this cooking. So, that's probably what I would do. So I would say, je préfère, I prefer. And the word for cooking is la cuisine, right? And then you just pick a nationality. So for me, I'll say Indian. But la cuisine is feminine, so we have to make it agree. La cuisine indienne, I prefer Indian food. And then similar for your favorite meal, dish, it's also in the present. Nothing too crazy. So, like always, send me a little message, or not like always, but like the last couple times, leave a comment on the assignment, this one, when you're ready for me to check your sentences. So I can look at them before you take the quiz. Y'all are missing out on points you could have if you just let me check your sentences ahead of time. That's it. Let me know if you have any questions. Au revoir.